A little more persistence, a little more effort, and what seems impossible may turn to glorious success. Greetings to one and all watching this first virtual annual prize giving ceremony of Delhi World Public School Ajmer for classes 6 to 9 for the academic year 2020-21. I, Anshu Gupta, extend a very warm welcome to the wonderful audience on behalf of our chairperson, Mr. Jai Singh Chauhan, Vice Chairperson, Mr. Karan Singh Chauhan, our Managing Director, Ms. Pooja Rai Chauhan, Principal, Delhi World Public School, Mr. Bhanu Pratap Pant, Dean Academics, Ms. Mamta Bhargav, and the entire staff of Delhi World Public School Ajmer. Winners don't do different things, they do things differently. This prize giving ceremony is to honor and acknowledge the efforts of those students who excelled in different dimensions of scholastic and co-curricular activities and set an example for the others to follow. School prepares you for the real world. I am not going to school just for academics. I want to share ideas, to be around people who are passionate about learning. Quote unquote, Emma Watson. Delhi World Public School Ajmer provides a conducive environment where the child becomes life ready. I would now like to invite Mr. Gaurav Mishra to present a video showcasing the overall achievements, honors and awards acquired by the school over a span of 3 years. Over to you, Gaurav sir.
Situated in the lap of nature, Delhi World Public School Ajmer is spread over a 16-acre lush green, eco-friendly campus which helps students to connect with nature. The refreshing and scenic ambience is rejuvenating for the mind and body, making education a whole new experience for the students. The school, under the aegis of Delhi World Foundation, started its historic journey in April 2018 under the mentorship of Mr. Salman Khurshid and Mrs. Louis Khurshid. The foundation has proudly launched 90 campuses in India and abroad within a span of 4 years. Delhi World Public School Ajmer, since its inception, has grown by leaps and bounds and has made a unique identity in the field of education. In the year 2019-20, Education Today awarded a merit certificate to Delhi World Public School in 2 categories for Best Infrastructure Provision and for Best Emerging School in the country. In this academic session 2020-21, with great pride and pleasure, we would like to announce that we have been recognized as the #1 co-educational day school in Ajmer district in school rankings by the prestigious Education World. To add to our achievements, National School Awards (NSA) recognized us as the most technically advanced school, and yet another milestone was the honor received by Education Today as the best school for giving individual attention to students. Another feather in our cap is the School Championship Cup bagged by our school in the recently hosted event DWPS Inter-School Literary Fest Excellencia 2020, in which 31 DWPS campuses pan-India participated in 5 categories ranging from 4 to 16 years age groups. With aesthetically appealing front lawns, the school's imposing facade stands tall, well equipped to provide quality education to 900 plus happy children. The infrastructure facilitates children to hone their skills in games and sports with well-managed basketball, badminton and tennis courts, cricket pitch and skating rink, swimming pool, horse riding, karate, yoga are the chief attractions for the students. Our academic strength is the digital classrooms supported by unique labs, Wordsworth Language Lab, NIIT Math Lab, Entercrest STEM Lab, Computer Lab and Social Studies Lab, along with a well-resourced library. With the aim of promoting love for cricket amongst students, MS Dhoni Cricket Academy, the first of its kind in Rajasthan, was launched in the the year 2019 with very productive results. Education today is incomplete if the school does not provide a blend of experiential learning through co-curricular and extracurricular activities. We have established a culture of excellence in theatre, dance, music, and art, providing ample opportunities for students to excel in their area of interest and compete in inter-house as well as national and international events. The school has seen 2 annual functions of extraordinary performances with 100% participation of students, highlighting perfect coordination, synchronizing movements, and brilliant delivery, all creating an indelible mark of perfection on parents and distinguished guests. The third year of school 2020-21, although has faced turbulent times due to the pandemic, is the pioneer school in starting with online classes and connecting with students not only in academics but in games and sports and in all the activities that make a school an institution of collaborative learning. We stand committed to student-centric learning with the latest pedagogies and technology required for comprehensive education to equip students with the 21st century skills. Thanks for watching this video.
Thank you, Gaurav sir, for this very informative video. 2020-21 was the year when the pandemic hit the world, but no unfavorable situations could dampen the spirits of our management, teachers, students, and parents alike. The management and the teachers left no stone unturned to make learning more effective and holistic. In addition to the online classes, a plethora of activities were conducted, ranging from dance to public speaking, from Ravan making to push-up competition, from PPT competitions to shloka competitions, and the list is endless. I again invite Mr. Gaurav to walk us through all the activities and virtual celebrations that took place during the academic year 2020-21. Gaurav sir. It was indeed a pleasure to watch our students learning and utilizing their time for such productive activities. And ladies and gentlemen, let us not forget this all happened when we were locked inside our homes. A great principal builds character, inspires dreams, encourages creativity, instills love for learning, and changes our life forever. May I now invite our principal, Mr. Bhanu Pratap Pant, to address this virtual gathering with his pearls of wisdom.
Greetings of the day. Today is a very, very important day for us as we will be felicitating our proud achievers for the year 2020-21. Well, this COVID year had been undoubtedly very, very challenging. But we always believed that adversity lead to real rise of heroes and heroines. And of course, our children have proved it, our teachers have proved it, and of course, our proud parents who are here today on the meet. We would like to thank you very much for making the year extremely eventful for the school. As we have witnessed the school video, the school has come with a lot of achievements for Delhi World Public School, Ajmer. This year, we have not only been rated as the best school of Ajmer, but also in the literary fests which we organized out of 31 schools, the school had emerged the best school among the Delhi World Foundation schools. We are extremely hopefully looking forward for the start of the year 2021-22. Hopefully, we'll be starting the session from the 1st of April 2021. To us, education simply means the all-round development of the child. Well, when we talk about education at Delhi World Public School, we mean that the child must develop comprehensively, holistically, just not only academically. So, the plethora of activities which were planned in the school, whether it was the shloka recitation competition for the pre-primary level, or whether it was the debates, whether it was the sports activities which were happening, whether we were making children dance on the tune of music, all of them were indicating that the child basically must get exposure to the best learning practice. We always feel that learning should be a happy experience for a child in our school. Our teachers are specially trained, and of course we see that children not only get excited, not only become curious, but stay motivated and are extremely inspired in all their endeavors to achieve the zenith, the highest pinnacle of success. The school is growing very fast. We have already become a school which will be sending the children to appear for class 10 board examination. Of course, making the children successful is one of our major endeavors. But more than that, we are wanting the children to become good human beings, good, contributive and positive citizens of the society. And in this endeavor, we really emphasize to make their character stronger, to make their personality sharper, so that when they stand tall and they become very impressive citizens who become role model in this world. The purpose of imparting education in our school is not only to make the children achieve, to get excellence in all their pursuit, but to make them realize the essence of living, to give them and teach them the art of living, so that they inspire the world, they inspire the eternity to follow suit. Taking inspiration from the adage that adversity lead to rise of real heroes and heroines, Delhi World Public School have stood tall, and during these very adverse times, during these very uncertain times, during these very unpredicted times, we have emerged as a champion school. This is our character. This is the way we operate. and this is the way we are going to inspire and lead the way. In the process of delivering complete, comprehensive education to our children, we have organized many activities. These included literary activities, these included cultural activities, these included sports activities. We emphasize that traditions as well as our roots should be strong, but we must give ourselves the wings which should be truly international. Various inter-school activities were organized in the school, which were not only at the national level but also international level. Under the British Council ISA project, 8 major projects were taken in the school, and recently we had a wonderful 2-day online interaction with Indian School Abu Dhabi, where our children not only presented the great Indian cultural heritage but also learned a lot from this international exchange. By doing these successfully, we have proven that digital era has arrived and the boundaries which used to prevail between nations has been broken down and the world has become a one place to live in. In the end, I would like to tell our parents that school will leave no stone unturned in the process of delivering world-class education to our children. The school infrastructure will keep growing, the teachers' training will keep growing, the recruitment of the best teachers will keep happening. The school will keep on delivering the best result, and we would like the proud fraternity of Delhi World Public School Ajmer to be constantly growing and becoming better and better. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your enlightening words. A teacher affects eternity. He can never tell where his influence stops. The pillars to any good school are the teachers. Let me now introduce you to our energetic and enthusiastic faculty. Miss Rashmi Sharma, level in charge, grades 8th and 9th. Miss Anshu Gupta, level in charge, grade 6th and 7th. Miss Manjri Upadhyay, the examination in charge. Miss Deepika Gangwani, Miss Neeta Bhati, Miss Yashaswani Jha, Mr. Ravikant Sharma, Mr. Ashish Sharma, Mr. Nitesh Singh, Miss Shubhra Mukherjee, Miss Madhurima Samuel, Miss Neha S. Kumar, Mr. Shubhank Mehra, Miss Indu Sharma, Mr. Akshay Arya. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Meet our vibrant activity staff. Miss Pooja Khandal and Mr. Rakesh Kumawat from the Art Department. Mr. Vikram Singh and Mr. Tarun Tak from the Sports Department. Miss Shivani Sharma, our dance teacher. Mr. Gaurav Mishra and Miss Shiny Anthony from the Music Department. Teachers, all of you play an integral role in shaping these young, impressionable minds. There are no secrets to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. I feel honored and privileged to now commence the annual prize giving ceremony, and I would now be announcing the winners of various competitions. I would like to start with the prizes for co-curricular activities. Education is our passport to future, for tomorrow belongs to people who prepare for it today. Our student Ridhima Gupta won the 3rd position in International Speech Competition organized by Act Universal, Ajman, UAE. I now announce the awards for various inter-house events. For the inter-house Shloka recitation competition, Adya Gaur, Kaveri House, 1st position. Harshi Yadav, Narmada House, 2nd position. The 3rd position is jointly shared by Kritika Chaudhary, Kaveri House, and Grishika Garg, Yamuna House. I want to sing like the birds sing, not worrying about who hears or what they think. The winners of Inter-House Solo Singing Competition are as follows. Astha Parekh, Brahmaputra House, 1st position. Ridhima Gupta, Brahmaputra House, 2nd position. Ayan Asmani, Kaveri House, 3rd position. Kanishk Sisodia, Kaveri House, 3rd position. This is a generation of digital natives. They not only use technology, but they can also create magic out of it. I now announce the results of Inter-House PowerPoint presentation competition. Ridhima Gupta, Brahmaputra House, 1st position. Akshara Shekhawat, Brahmaputra House, 2nd position. Shreya Maheshwari, Yamuna House, 3rd positions. Now announcing the results of Inter-House Kabir Rahim Dohe recitation competition. Ritika Chaudhary, Yamuna House, 1st position. Asmi Chaudhary, Narmada House, 2nd position. Nameer Ahmed, Narmada House, 2nd position. Yashasva Tak, Brahmaputra House, 3rd position. Coming to English debate competition. Mishka Mittal, Narmada House, 1st position. Lubhanshi Jain, Kaveri House, 2nd position. Sujas Shipa, Yamuna House, 3rd position. Our young actors performed exceptionally well in the Inter-House monologue competition. The results are as follows. For the monologue competition, Bhuvnesh Pathak, Kaveri House, 1st position. Nameer Ahmed, Narmada House, 1st position. Lakshya Chawla, Yamuna House, 2nd position. Shringar Tomar, Narmada House, 3rd position. I now announce the results for Inter-House Maths Quiz. The Maths Quiz was a team effort, so I'll be announcing the names of the teams. First position was bagged by Brahmaputra House and the team comprised of Yagnesh Pathak, Daksh Soni, Akhilesh Sharma and Akshara Shekhawat. Second position was bagged by Kaveri House. The team comprised of Prithviraj Tandon, Kritika Chaudhary, Nirbhay Saini and Astha Baheti. Yamuna House stood on the 3rd position. It comprised of Yash Kotnala, Rakshit Sharma, Nidhib Bhandari and Bhanu Pratap Singh. Until I discovered cooking, I was never interested in anything. Our little chefs tried their hands at cooking in the Inter-House Master Chef competition. The results are as follows. Rishita Shekhawat, Yamuna House, 1st position. Dhruv Arora, Narmada House, 2nd position. Shreya Maheshwari, Yamuna House, 2nd position. And Rakshit Sharma, Yamuna House, 3rd position. Dance isn't just dance, it is magic. Our young dancing dudes and divas create magic when they move their bodies to music. Presenting the awards for Inter-House Dance Competition. Grishika Garg, Yamuna House, 1st position. Archie Jain, Kaveri House, 2nd position. Hiya Jain, Kaveri House, 2nd position. Bhuvnesh Pathak, Kaveri House, 3rd position. Shreya Maheshwari, Yamuna House, 3rd position. Now I announce the results for Ravan making competition. First position Hardik Somani and Kartik Maheshwari. Second position Charvi Gupta and Ayan Usmani. Third position Soumya Saini and Nirbhay Saini. The students at Delhi World Public School Ajmer exhibited their creativity in the flower rangoli making competition. The results are as follows. First position was bagged by Parth Kabra. Second position goes to Hiya Jain and Lubhanshi Jain. And the third position goes to Khushi Saini and Shreya Maheshwari. Good players inspire themselves. Great players inspire others. I now announce the prizes for various sports events. The first event is Inter-House Skipping Competition and the prizes go to Gunjan Meena, Yamuna House, 1st position, Harshi Yadav, Narmada House, 2nd position, Khushi Mundra, Brahmaputra House, 3rd position. The prizes for Inter-House Push-Ups competition are as follows. Govind Ram, Narmada House, 1st position, Mohit Prajapati, Yamuna House, 2nd position, Vinod Chaudhary, Yamuna House, 3rd position. Now the awards for Inter-House Yoga competition. First position was jointly bagged by Nehanshi Sisodia, Kaveri House, and Charvi Gupta, Kaveri House. The second position goes to Archie Jain, Kaveri House, Yash Kotnala, Yamuna House. The third position goes to Shreya Maheshwari, Yamuna House, Parth Bhagwani, Yamuna House. Delhi World Public School Ajmer took the initiative of hosting the first virtual inter-school literary fest Excellencia 2020, in which 31 schools under the aegis of Delhi World Foundation showcased their multifarious talents. The students of Delhi World Public School did perform exceptionally well and bagged multiple individual awards and the overall championship trophy. The winners for different events are as follows. For the event broadcast on the electronic media, the first position was bagged by Adya Gaur. For the competition turncoat, the second position was bagged by Akhilesh Sharma. And for Hindi debate, the third position was bagged by Naisha Jaku and Rakshit Sharma. Kudos champs, you make us all proud. For the slam poetry, first position was bagged by Akshara Shekhawat. For the monologue competition, Nameer Ahmed stood first. And for the Digi Spark, the first position was bagged by Ridhima Gupta and Daksh Paratkar. Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I may remember. Involve me and I learn. There is nothing more effective than experiential learning. Our young pupils enthusiastically took part in the STEM project and I feel elated announcing the winners. The first position goes to Maheen Rizwan and Kavya Maheshwari. The second position goes to Kavya Khatwani and Kavya Jain. And the third position goes to Yagnesh Pathak and Mahi Chanchlani. For the social science project, the prizes are as follows. The first position goes to Tanisha Rathore and Bhuvnesh Pathak. Second position goes to Kavya Khatwani and Shringar Tomar. Third position goes to Kirti Rathore and Ehsas Kalp. For the IT project, the first position goes to Ridhima Gupta, Nirbhay Saini and Saksham Datwani. The second position goes to Mansi Jain and Manav Thadani. And the third position goes to Shreya Maheshwari, Devansh Dhabai and Harshit Arora. Now comes the Mathematics STEM project exhibition. The first position goes to Nirbhay Saini and Ridhima Gupta. Second position goes to Saksham Datwani and Ishita Sharma. Third position goes to Manav Thadani and Khushagri Jain. The recipe to success is hard work, determination and grit. Moving on to the academic awards for the academic year 2019-2020. I would now like to announce the class toppers who've created a niche for themselves and have proved them mettle. Chavish Saraswat was the class topper for the academic year 2019-2020 in 6th standard. Nirbhay Saini topped the 7th standard and Ridhima Gupta stood first in 8th standard. Kudos children, we are all so proud of you. I now proudly announce the subject toppers for various subjects in different classes. Subject toppers for class 5 for the academic year 2019-2020. Tanisha Rathore stood first in EVS. Yash Kotnala stood first in Hindi and Mathematics. Maheen Rizwan stood first in IT. Coming to grade 6th, Rakshit Sharma stood first in Sanskrit, English and Mathematics. Kritika Chaudhary stood first in Hindi. Chavish Saraswat stood first in Social Studies, Sanskrit and IT. The various awards for grade 7th for the academic year 2019-2020 are as follows. Pankaj Kagat stood first in English. Harshi Yadav stood first in Hindi. Akhilesh Sharma stood first in Maths. Nirbhay Saini stood first in Science, Social Studies, Sanskrit and IT. and Aditya Kumar stood first in Social Studies and IT. For grade 8th, Ridhima Gupta stood first in English, Social Studies and IT. Mansi Jain stood first in Hindi. Ritika Chaudhary stood first in Hindi. Akshara Shekhawat stood first in Mathematics and French. Asta Baheti stood first in Science, Sanskrit and IT. Deepak Chaudhary stood first in IT. There is a brilliant child locked inside every student. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the Student of the Year, the child prodigies who were able to harness their potential to the maximum and reach the pinnacle. Let me share with this wonderful audience that the Student of the Year will be awarded a scholarship of rupees 5,000. Isn't that amazing? So I now announce the Student of the Year for various classes. Student of the Year for class 6A is Kanishk Sisodia. He is awarded with a scholarship of rupees 5,000. Student of the Year for grade 6B is Kavya Khatwani. Kavya is awarded a scholarship of rupees 5,000. Student of the Year for grade 7th A is Bhuvnesh Pathak. Student of the Year, first runner-up for grade 7th A is Kritika Chaudhary. She has been awarded with a scholarship of rupees 5,000. Student of the Year for grade 7th B is Rakshit Sharma. Rakshit gets a scholarship of rupees 5,000. Student of the Year for grade 8th A is Akhilesh Sharma. Akhilesh has been awarded with a scholarship of rupees 5,000. Moving on to grade 8th B, the Student of the Year for grade 8th B is Nirbhay Saini. Nirbhay gets a scholarship of rupees 5,000. Student of the Year for grade 9th A is Ridhima Gupta. Student of the Year, first runner-up in grade 9th A is Akshara Shekhawat. Akshara is awarded with a scholarship of rupees 5,000. Student of the Year for grade 9th B is Asta Baheti. Asta has been awarded with a scholarship of rupees 5,000. Dear students and parents, now I announce the overall house championship trophies. I know you are very excited to know. The second runner-up house is Brahmaputra House. The first runner-up house in co-curricular activities is the Narmada House. And the best house in co-curricular activities is the Yamuna House. Coming to the overall best house in sports, the second runner-up house is the Narmada House. The first runner-up is Brahmaputra House. And the overall best house in sports is the Yamuna House. Congratulations to all the winners and achievers. Keep up the good work. I would now like to invite our Dean Academics, Ms. Mamta Bhargav, to extend the vote of thanks.
Hello everyone. It's time to thank all those who have been associated with today's virtual prize giving ceremony. Thank you parents for witnessing the glorious achievements of our children who have displayed their multifarious skills in all the online activities conducted by DWPS and in the celebrations that we have had, and also attended the online classes. Our students are also worthy of applause for striding forward in the right spirit with a proactive approach. I take this opportunity to thank Mr. Karan Chauhan and Ms. Pooja Rai Chauhan for their unstinted support and implicit faith in us. Henry Ford has rightly said, if everyone is moving forward in the right direction, success takes care of itself. We expect that the entire extended DWPS family shall support the school in all its endeavors. I salute each one of you, students, teachers, and parents who have been responsible for the success story of DWPS. It has been a year of trials and tribulations. Needless to say that we had to face a lot of challenges, but we have emerged stronger than before. I leave you with this note. Thank you.